Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, are you looking for the best walking pad treadmills that match your lifestyle? Whether you are walking from home or want to stay active, here are the top 3 walking pad treadmills in 2024. For more product details and for the best deals, you can check the Amazon links in the description below. So, without further delay, let's get started. Starting off at number 3, we have the Urevo Under Desk Treadmill. It is ideal for those who are on a budget. This treadmill offers comfort and convenience. With its 2.25 horsepower motor, it supports up to 265 pounds while maintaining a quiet performance. Its anti-slip belt and shock-absorbing design help protect your knees and make for a comfortable workout. The best part, it's lightweight, compact, and slides easily under your desk or bed, making it a great space saver. At number 2, we have the Sparex walking pad. This 3-in-1 treadmill is perfect for anyone who is looking to balance work and fitness. With a speed range of zero point 0.6 to 6 mph, you can switch between walking and running modes effortlessly. Its wide non-slip belt ensures a smooth, secure workout, and with the remote control, you can easily adjust settings on the go. Plus, it arrives fully assembled and folds up neatly for easy storage, making it perfect for any home or office. Finally, at number 1, we have the Sparex Dulux walking pad. This walking pad is the ultimate choice if you are looking for more power, durability, and convenience. It comes equipped with a powerful 2.5 horsepower motor supporting up to 320 pounds. So, whether you want a light scroll or a brisk walk, this treadmill offers a speed range of zero point 0.6 to 3.8 mph. And don't worry about the space, it's compact, arrive fully assembled, and it can easily be stored under your desk or sofa. So, which one fits your needs? Let us know in the comments below. For the best prices, you can check out the links in the description. So, whether you are looking for a budget option, a versatile 3-in-1 machine, or top-tier performance, these treadmills have you covered. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews. See you in the next video.